同款无平静的也有美国。美国伫昨昏有几啊个所在城市拢有民众行上街头抗议，因的新总统川普上任了后有几啊项无妥当的政策，内底有一项是包括巴勒斯坦人永久性转移到别个所在安置的一个建议。这个建议嘛引起国际社会甲国际组织的关心。因为北京同刚对外说明的是，已经甲永久转移改做暂时。
在美国德州的奥斯汀，示威民众举着川普是一个歹消息等几类反对川普的标语，最后全美国几类的州就成为示威民众发动50个州公布抗议的活动，谴责川普的移民打击政策对跨性别权利的倒退，也有将几60万巴勒斯坦人强赶出加沙，改造做中东蔚蓝海岸的提议。
إذا بحاول يهجرنا.
国际社会甲组织对巴勒斯坦人未来命运正关心。
It is essential to avoid any form of ethnic cleansing.
This land does not belong to the United States or to Israel, for that matter.
川普甲以色列总理纳坦雅胡伫北京见面的时阵，讲美国将要接管加沙，国际社会拢惊到，要让北京伫记者会做说明。
President yesterday used the word permanent for permanently resettle Palestinians. I hear you saying temporarily today. Is that a shift or a specific change that you want to highlight? And
the president has made it clear that they need to be temporarily relocated out of Gaza for the rebuilding of this effort. Again, it's a demolition site right now. It's not a livable place for any human being.
When the president announced his taking over Gaza policy yesterday, was Netanyahu aware of this, and what was his reaction?
Whether Prime Minister Netanyahu was aware before the president's remarks, he was indeed.
包括埃及甲约旦在内阿拉伯国家拢表示拒载川普的提议。所地阿拉伯正罕见的透明发声明讲，因也未接受，并且重申，若是无建立包括加沙走廊在内的巴勒斯坦国，所地阿拉伯甲以色列的关系无可能正常化。公司新闻吴文玲报道。